All right, I'm back at the cutout, and they're still on the outside. There's obviously resident bees of the colony. So here's a cute little piece of a QMP noodle. Some better bee. It's the temporary queen. There's the other half of it. And they have little tie wraps and stuff you could tie wrap it with, but I just mushed it in there. And then I also put a little bit of, can't remember if that's Swarm Commander, or it may just be lemongrass oil in there. And that's the entrance right there. So I'm gonna leave that for a couple days and see if they'll start going to it. And that'll definitely help me determine whether there is some honeycomb or brood or whatever still in there. Because if they don't go to it, then that means I got to open it up and do more work. So I'm gonna go pop this in. There's a little observation hive. It holds a regular frame, brood frame, and then also a medium frame. I think I'm gonna switch cameras here, but real quick. There's still a lot of, so I think these ones that are hanging out in the sun, like there's a bunch of them up under the window. Those are bees that, if they'll go into this observation hive, I will take them over to where their hive is. Plus, who knows, there may be another queen in there. Who knows? Hey, get out of here. They don't like me. Alright. Actually, I got that QMP noodle smell on my hands. That may be part of it. They think I'm sweet. I'm gonna button up, because last time I did this, they were getting in my shirt. Yeah, I think they smell that QMP noodle. It's on my hands, and that's where they're sniffing right now. This is where they're going up my sleeve. This will be quick, and hopefully they'll get a smell of that and have their new temporary queen. Oh, the QMP noodle already fell. Dang it. Okay, so I got a little bit of marshmallow. I'm gonna try to see if I can stick that noodle to the marshmallow. Now I gotta fish out the noodle. Place it right here. I think the marshmallow is going to do the trick. It's definitely sticking to me. They love my smell. I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I got my, I don't think I have my wipes. I think I took them out. Just gonna smell tasty. Hopefully not tasty enough to eat. Okay, so the noodle is right there in that marshmallow. Here we go. See if this, I might have to put this in sideways. Alright, let me see, it's probably going to cause a ruckus. Pulling this off. See what we got. They're not stuck to it very much. Let's put this here, maybe. Let me see if this will, may not be wide enough. You have to put it like this. That's okay. If it fits, it ships. Oh, it's tight. Let me try this other side here. Oh, but I want to see it. It's tight, but it will fit. Let's see if they'll climb up in there. Okay, so the entrance is right here. And we'll see if they'll start going in there. I kind of think we got more we got to cut out. I don't know if there's enough light to see. See if any have gone in here yet. They should start sniffing that. I think a lot of these, well, I think a lot of these are resident bees. I also think there's robbers on scene too. So we'll see if they'll go in there and start living on that QMP noodle. So they can climb right in there. There's some like really old comb. I think I might have just touched a bee. This is really old stuff. Or maybe we got bit by a spider right there. I don't know. Hopefully they'll crawl in there. see what happens. I can't tell, but maybe when I look back at this video, I may be able to see if they're going in there yet. They may be sniffing the vent on the top of this hive. On that, where all those bees are, there's a vent hole on the side. It's kind of hard to tell, but they may be migrating down. Thing is, I'll have to go all the way down to the bottom to get in, if that's the case. It's like a little briefcase hive. All right. We'll see what happens if I leave that in there for a day or two or 3.